2008 Jeep Grand Cherokee, doing a door lock actuator for rear trunk. This thing locked up tight on a drum, and even going through the little escape hole, which would be that right there, it would not pop open the rear trunk. So how I had to do it was, if you're looking at it from this point of view, take that screw out, the cover, and the two little screws there at the bottom. That way you're able to pull the panel back far enough from this area right here to be able to reach your hand down through here, and then you're able to, there's going to be a cable attached to here, pop this, which hardly moved. I practically had to break the thing. You'll pop this into the unlock position, then you'll be able to pull the cable, which is for this piece right here, and actually open up the trunk. That's what I had to do. So, but the actuator itself is easy. There'll be a cable here, which is somewhere over here. Somewhere over here inside. Anyways, you're going to take out your T30 bolts here for the actuator itself. Disconnect your two connectors. Disconnect your cable for the lock, which is right here. Just got a little slide piece right here, and then a carrying end, which will go right there, and then it'll slide right in that little hook. Take it out, then you're able to take out the two screws, one there, and the actuator itself comes off, which is what we are replacing. For the panel itself, there's going to be a couple screws, one here, two right here, one over on this side, one over this side, and then some of these push pins, which I've got to take out and put back on the door panel itself. See how they are just standardized push pins. Other than that, there's not too much to it. Just putting all the stuff back together. Oh, and disconnect your little light too. The light bulb was blown, so that one's getting a new one. But just connect all that, get it out. This thing was full of water when I took it off and tipped it over. See, just water went everywhere on this thing. So that will definitely fix this problem. But this is a rear hatch latch actuator, or door lock actuator, for the rear on Jeep Grand Cherokee. Any questions, comments, please feel free to let me know.